Russia's state technology corporation Rostec will showcase an engine for its famous Sukhoi Su-35 Flankery at the world's oldest airshow in France, the company said on Monday. Some 37 Russian organizations are expected to be among 2,000 participants from 46 countries at the week-long 51st Paris Airshow at Le Bourget Airport kicking off on Monday. We expect the professional community to devote a lot of attention to the Al-41F1S, ideally I-117S, engines installed on Russia's multifunctional Su-35 fighter aircraft, a corporate representative told RIA Novosti. Featured image by Dumich, own work, public domain, via Wikimedia Commons. Russia and China signed a contract on the delivery of 24 Russian Sukhoi Su-35 aircraft, estimated to be worth $2 billion, in 2015. The S-35 is a 4++ generation, twin-engine, highly maneuverable multi-role fighter jet. It has a maximum speed of 1,553 miles per hour, 2,500 km/h, with advanced tri-thrust and afterburner capabilities that enhance the aircraft's dogfighting maneuverability and semi-stealth design that makes it possibly the most lethal fighter jet in the sky. The fighter jet is an upgraded version of the Su-27 multi-role fighter. It was first introduced to a foreign audience at the 2013 Paris Air Show. The Su-35 is Russia's top air superiority fighter, until the fifth-generation PAK-4 stealth fighter comes into production. A Sukhoi Su-35 fighter jet takes off during a test flight ahead of the Airshow China 2014 in Sukhoi, South China's Guangdong province on November 10th. According to the Chinese newspaper The People's Daily, the reason for such smooth procurement of the Su-35 for the Chinese military is the recent debut of the domestic-designed J-20 fifth-generation fighter. Of course, the deal on delivering Su-35 jets to China was a result of close military and technical cooperation between Moscow and Beijing. However, according to the newspaper, the Russian side expects that once the J-20 enters service with the Chinese armed forces, the Su-35 will soon lose its value in the Chinese market. Quotation mark. China unveiled two Chengdu J-20 stealth fighters at the Airshow China 2016 in Sukhoi in early November. The aircraft was developed by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation. The J-20 conducted its first test flight in early 2011. According to Air Force Commander General Ma Zayoshan, China will not put the J-20 on the global market. While the detailed specifications of the new jet have been kept secret, to all appearances the jets have been designed to match the stealth capabilities of fifth-generation fighter aircraft such as the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and Russia's Sukhoi PAK-4. However, military experts noted that another possible reason behind China's interest for the Su-35 is its engine, the Al-117S turbofan. China has put much effort in developing its own turbofan akin to the Su-35's, known as the WS-10 turbofan, but it continues to underperform the Russian-made Al-117S. If Chinese engineers manage to reverse engineer the Russian technology, they may be able to narrow the technological gap with Russia in the West.